Okay. So now, Rahul, as per your this one plan, we need to use MCP, right? MCP
Hmm.
is upgraded version for ML models, basically. So this is 9 sprint cycles were there in the past. If you see in the previous version of the project, so assume that there is a new requirement came to us, which need to be upgraded the project on the ML models by adding MCP. Okay. Now these 9 sprint cycles need to be upgraded. Okay. So we asked it, can you tell me where did we use MCP? Yes, it is not used, it is saying, of course. Then now we asked it to update the sprint cycles. Um, can you add MCP also and give updated sprint cycles? Okay. Now, MCP allows AI agents, customer service bots, underwriting assistants to discover tools like get risk score, explain decision, call them securely, receive structured response. A customer ask use cases customer ask why was I declined it. An agent uses MCP to fetch model inputs, invoke an explainer, and return a human readable reason. See, basically, MCP, what it does, it analyzes the data in the backend and brings that right data to explain to the answer. Okay. Then MCP server hosts tool definitions and routes LLM tool calls to backend APIs. Basically, it works like a coordinator also, like coordinators. Tools APIs are there. REST endpoints wrapped as MCP tools. So agent interfaces, chart-based UI or voice assistant using MCP compatible LLMs. It means in everywhere MCP is connected it. So it is giving the reasons why, purpose or reasons. Then Azure functions and API management used expose services as secure versioned APIs. Then now Sprint 1, if you see, with MCP integration, define core systems plus feature A agent layers. Architecture diagram includes MCP server placeholder, setup DevOps, Azure DevOps, IAM, Key Vault, Git repo, folder stub is there. Then MCP preparation is reserve this particular DNS name, document intent to support AI agents via MCP. 1 minute. Ingest raw data, store ADLs, Gen2, MCP preparation is tag sensitive fields for future access control in MCP. Okay, then data processing, feature engineering, you're cleaning, enriching, and data transformation, you are making it. Here, there is no MCP preparation. Is log feature schema will be used in explain decision. So, wherever questions or queries are there in that components, the assumption might be there. It might have questions. Then it is moving, system is moving into MCP area. So where MCP is going to analyze that particular query, user query, and give the answers. Basically, it is a kind of intelligent agent kind of activity it is doing it in the backend. But the agent, what it does, autonomous agent, it takes the help of the OpenAI. Here there is no OpenAI within MCP. You got it right?
Yes.
Is it correct what I'm saying to you?
It's a server, one type of server.
Yeah, one type of server, but it consolidates data and analyzes it. It has got its own analytic thinking power.
Okay.
Whereas agentic AI, it depends on the OpenAI response. According to that, it takes the actions. But that is a certain thing. This is for small bit of analysis purpose. We are using MCP here. That is the difference. So the model development, fraud detection is their example. You are identifying, defining high risk patterns within the customer data. That patterns are moving separately into MCP area, identifying that. So model deployment in the integration area, if you see, decision, design APIs to be MCP ready. So APIs we discussed it in the previous cycle. That cycle it was told APIs are going to be recorded in the MCP. Now it is picking up the data basically. Okay. Then real-time scoring pipeline is here store real-time decisions with trace IDs. Decisions are made it already on particular data pieces for dashboards purpose. Assume that. Now what happens? The decisions ID is going to be recorded in the MCP database. Right?
Correct.
Then when query comes on that decisions, it is going to give analysis on that. These decisions are made on this date for this purpose. This is the reason. Right?
Ah,
Then MCP server implementation and tooling layer is there in Sprint 8. Okay. So this is the way it is going to be added it.
okay. Okay, sir. You share this link to me.
Yeah, I'll do that. So it is good actually. We are upgrading the project with MCP also. In 1 minute, let me stop my recording.